Hey guys, in this video I will show you how I achieved this look. Now what I did first was I braided my natural hair underneath the wig cap before I began. Now this wig is 24 inches in length. It is a lace frontal wig. This hair is 100% premium synthetic fibers. This is the first time I have ever tried like a wig like this, so I was pretty excited to actually unbox this wig and see how it looks. Now this wig comes with 2 wig caps, eyelashes, and hair accessories. You know, and one thing I like about this wig while I was unboxing this wig was that it had natural looking and it made the hair look more natural and, you know, realistic. Like it looked really like I went to the hair salon and got my hair braided. So right in this clip I wanted to show you guys how long the hair is. It's pretty long. I wanted you guys to see the length. So this hair came with about 3 sets of combs, 1 at the bottom and then 2 at the top, and it also came with a strap so that when you're wearing this wig, everything, you know, the wig feels nice and secure on your head as you wear it. So what I did next was I made sure that I added my foundation to the front part of the hair to give it more of a realistic look. And then I'm ready to start adjusting the wig to my head. This is how the hair looks after it has been adjusted to my head. And so next what I'm going to do is I'm going to start clipping off some of the lace. Okay, and when you're doing this part of the installation, you want to make sure that you're not cutting off too much of the lace, okay? And so that's what you see me doing now. I'm going in and I'm trying to cut just enough lace off, but not too much of it off. Next, I'm going in with the got-to-be glue to lay down the lace, okay, onto my head so that while I'm wearing it out, it doesn't maneuver, okay, and it's nice and secure. So after putting on the glue and fixing the baby hairs, I used basically a stocking around the edges and I left it on for about 5 minutes so that the baby hairs and the front part of the hair would stay down and look more natural. So in this clip I'm just showing you how it looks so far, and I'm just waiting for it to harden in the front. So after the glue dried, I took off the stocking. Then I started to adjust the strap at the back of the hair to make sure the wig was secure on my head. Then I add foundation to the front so that it will look natural. And so what you do is you want to get your foundation and you want to add your foundation to the front so that it will blend in with your skin, okay? And so yeah, that's the end result. And so overall I would give this hair 5 out of 5. I felt like overall the wig was constructed very well, and I felt like the price was great, especially since this was 24 inches in length. And so another thing I really liked about this hair was that it was a quick install. I usually go and get my hair braided, but you know, it was good to not spend so many hours sitting down waiting for my hair to be finished at the salon. But you know, I got so many compliments while wearing this hair. Like people thought I actually went to the salon to get my hair braided, but they didn't know that I was actually wearing a wig. But if you're interested in this wig, I will leave the information right down in the description box. Thank you so much for tuning in, guys, and I will see you in the next review. Bye!